This is the Yeti Hopper M20 backpack cooler. I think this is one of the most rugged and convenient coolers you can buy. This thing carries up to 18 cans or 22 pounds of ice. Let me show you what this thing looks like on the inside. Now, it does that all while keeping your hands free. Look how deep this thing is. It goes way on back there. Now, it uses mag shield access. So when you open it when you want it, then it seals shut when you want it closed. Now, this nice mechanism makes it leak resistant, and it's so easy to use because it's built with this dry hide shell that resists punctures and UV damage. Plus, it has closed cell foam insulation that keeps your drinks cold for hours. So if you're camping, tailgating, or just want to get out with a great cooler, this one is built super tough. I think this one's a winner. I've used mine often, and it performs exactly like I hoped it would. I love mine. Check it out, would you?